Demand for travel insurance is picking up after the announcement of Vaccinated Travel Lanes. Insurance companies in Singapore say they've seen sales at least doubling. Still, they've enhanced coverage for COVID-related expenses, such as covering partial costs of mandatory tests. As Michelle Teo finds out, such plans may not be enough.
With the year-end festive season around the corner, Singaporeans are packing their bags once again for overseas vacations. Insurers say they're seeing more customers being cautious when travelling to countries like the US and Europe. And amid the pandemic, their needs have also shifted.
In the past, majority of consumers will go for the lower plan types, the cheaper plans. But today, we are immediately seeing 80% of consumers paying that little bit extra to pick the highest plans. And in my opinion, this is a completely normal behavior due to uncertainties.
That's why current plans offer enhanced coverage for overseas COVID-related hospitalization expenses. It also covers trip disruption situations, such as if travelers test positive for COVID during their holiday. But as more vaccinated travel lanes open, insurers expect travelers to visit multiple countries instead of a single destination trip. That means existing policies may need to be expanded for more coverage.
As people are traveling longer, maybe returning to their home country for the first time after many years, they are actively asking if we can include the current to increase the coverage from the current 30 days. And so far, we have been doing this on an ad hoc basis, depending on the individual customer ask. However, we are looking to introduce this as a longer-term, plan, given the number of inquiries that we have received for this longer trip duration.
We are also going to do away with country categorization, where in the past or currently, actually, income is classifying countries as high risk and low risk. But going forward, we are no longer going to do that. We are going to allow our travelers to buy travel insurance regardless of where they go to, where they travel.
Insurers say they remain cautiously optimistic that demand for travel insurance will increase given the uncertainty of border restrictions. Even then, they say this recovery won't be enough to restore sales to pre-COVID levels.